In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the paste special feature in QuoteWorks. As you can see here, I have an Ingram Micro quote up that has several lines, and a couple things I want to take note of is that it has an EU name column and that it has pricing included on this quote. Sometimes from Ingram Micro, they will give you items without pricing, and we just want to take note of which one we're dealing with. My goal here is I'm going to highlight all of the information within the columns without highlighting any of the column headers or the subtotal. Once I've done that, I can use Control C on the keyboard to copy that and then minimize the Ingram quote. In QuoteWorks, I'm going to highlight the line here, and then I'm going to go right up to Edit and then Paste Special. And when I do that, you can see that this dialog box comes up right here, and it happens to be set exactly where I want it, which is on Basic, Start, One-Step Paste Special, and then it's Ingram with EU name and price, which is why it was important for me to note that in the beginning. As you can see, I have Ingram with no price. I also have some Tech Data quotes in here, so you just want to make sure that you pick the one appropriate for what you're doing. From there, I just click Finish, and then I click Close out of the subsequent dialog box. And you can see that QuoteWorks has automatically filled in my quote with all of those line items that I copied from the Ingram quote. A couple of things to note here is that in the case of the part numbers, there's a bit of leftover code here in the form of this ampersand NBSP. So you are going to want to go out and clean that up. You're going to want to open up your descriptions and take a look inside of them as well, because this and BSP, you can see it in BSP, you can see it right here, tends to be left over in those descriptions as well. It should, however, be a much quicker option for you than putting in individual lines from those quotes, especially if there are several lines. I hope that's helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.